What are you doing?
Having fun.
Where are we at?
Louisiana.
Where?
At Uncle Sydney.
And he was in what town? Natchitoches?
Yeah, Natchitoches. What are we doing?
You're posing, I'm filming.
I know, and you went far, far away, having fun taking pictures of me. And I had fun posing like this, and like...
Let me put on the big lens.
Downward 7.
And then I can pan around.
And show the swirly ladder. And that's me.
The spiral ladder?
And it's me. And it's me. Can you say happy to me? Please hand it to me.